Okay.
So why might someone want to take public transport in foreign countries over driving?
It's convenience.
Convenient, okay.
Yes.
Why else? Why else?
Because if you go to another country, you can't remember the road,
Okay, you can't remember the roads.
so you prefer to take a bus or train.
Okay, you don't know the roads. Okay. Very good. What else?
Because another country is very far than Taiwan.
Okay.
Yeah, so you need to take a.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So those are very good reasons. I also think it depends on which country you go to. Like, it depends on the country you are going to. So some countries, it's very convenient to take public transport, right? Like in Japan. Japan has very good public transport. But if you're traveling in the United States, like if you're traveling in Los Angeles, right, LA, you need a car. Because there is no public transport, right? Public transport is not good. 所以是看城市，我觉得是看城市。I think it's depending on the city or where you're going, right?
Yes.
At times, if you're going, so like in Taipei, okay, in Taipei, you don't need a car. But if you go to Hualien, you need a car in the city, right?
Yes.
So it depends. I think it all depends on where you're going and which city you are in.
Okay.
Because sometimes car is more convenient than public transport.
Okay.
Right. Okay. 比较意思啊，就是车子有时候会比就是大众交通会比较方便。Okay. Very good.
Okay.